Hello, how are you? My name is Larry Jones, and today I'm going to be going over some simple ways to understand how to use the Webull platform. I strongly suggest having more than one broker. I suggest having a laptop broker, but I also suggest having a phone-friendly broker. Webull is one of those brokers that is very phone-friendly, and unlike other apps or other brokerages, Webull actually helps you to become a better trader over a period of time. It allows you hours of pre-market trading and hours of post-market trading, which is really, really cool. And right now they have a promotion going on that if you only deposit $5, then you can open up a new account. Make sure you use my link below. It helps the page, all right? And go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell, and let's get right into it. Now, first thing I want you to know is we're just going to keep it simple. I don't want you to get intimidated, and we're just going to go to the buttons that you or any other trader needs to know, all right? Let's go. Open the app. The first thing you're going to see is a watch list. Now, if you go to the bottom, you'll see something that says add symbol. If you click that, you could add whatever symbol you want so you can have whatever stock you want to watch. That'll be a part of your watch list. Now let's go to the bottom. In the center there, I would say that's like a home button. You hit it and it's going to show your assets. Now I'm using my wife's phone, so you're going to see a couple of stock already there, right? So let's go to the simplest thing that people want to know, how to make a trade. In the center, you'll see a blue highlight that says quick trade. Select it. And let's say I want to buy another share of clean. So I'm going to put in a CLNE, and there it is. Boom. All right. Now let's look at it. It says order type limit, unit price is $9.14, and quantity. Let's buy a share, shall we? Now I could hit one, hit next, and it will literally buy it at $9.14 because I have limit. That is my limit price selected. Now, if I want to buy a share right now at the market price, if you look up at the top where it says clean energy fuel, it shows you exactly what the current price is, $9.13. So it went down. So if I just wanted to buy it right now at its price, go here where it says order type, and I'm going to select market order. And I got one share. So now what we're going to do is just buy it. I could skip the confirmation or I can hit the confirmation. Always read before you execute. Buy, quantity, 1, price, market. That means whatever the market price is. And it's good till cancel, right? Let's go. Boom. It just bought, right? So on the right-hand corner, you'll see filled. Now you see the arrow on the top? Just hit it and it goes back. And now you see I have 2 shares of clean energy. Okay. Now there's another way to buy, and I could simply, if I already bought the stock, I can just simply click on it and hit buy again. And we're back to that window. It's just that simple. Now let's say I want to sell a share. All right. So now let's go back. We've already bought it. And remember, go up to the arrow and just backspace the arrow, okay? And if you ever get lost in one of these windows at the top, all right, where your existing order is, here's a buy order that got filled that showed you. But if you ever get lost, just go back to where it says assets, and it shows you all of your positions. All right, now let's sell a stock. Let's select it. And then I'm going to hit here, close position. Okay. We're going to hit close. Now I can limit my sell price to $9.12, which it currently is, Or I can short the stock and I'm going to select my limit price and I'm going to make it $9.10. Okay. And now I'm going to short the stock and I'm going to say I want to sell it at $9.10. Now let's go down a little bit where it says trading hours. Only regular hours, and then we have extended hours. But the market is open, so I don't need to go into extended hours. Time in force. Do I want to sell it only today? And because if I don't change this after the day is done, the trading day is done, this order will be canceled. But I could also hit and select good till cancel. That means that it is locked in. I don't have to worry if I'm at work. It's going to execute the order during trading hours, and I could hit sell. It's going to ask for confirmation, and I can confirm. Now it says filled. So we're going to back arrow, and remember assets. Now it's sold. It's no longer there, right? And so that's the quick and easy way to look at Webull. And I understand that there's a lot of stuff going on, but just like anything else, you want to grow into it and understand everything. One quick thing that I'm going to reiterate on the pre-market order is I would go to the messages at the bottom to the right, select it, and go up here. You see an icon in the upper right hand corner, select it, my free stock, and there it is. There's no more. She has no more free stock, but this is how you claim your free stock. And I would suggest doing this as soon as you open the app. All right, let's go back up to the upper left hand corner and back arrow. And if you just read, it shows you other things, Webull promotions, IPO notices, which is really good to know when a company is going public, Webull letters, price alerts. You have all kind of stuff here. And then if you ever are caught in this window and you don't know where to go, remember, hit that home button at the bottom and there you go. You're back home. All right. It shows you how much cash you have available. It shows you your buying power, and it shows you the settled cash. So there you go. It's very easy. Let's just go into the center, the round button in the center. Let's just call that your home button. All right. So as you can see, it says in the upper left-hand corner, assets. Now, this is my wife's phone, so I made her an ape buying some AMC. Now, as you can see here, it says my position, she has 2 AMC and clean energy. Now, if I wanted to buy one more share of clean energy, I can simply tap onto clean energy, hit buy, and it will come up. Because it's pre-market, it only gives you the option of a limit order. You cannot do a market order. The limit price at this current time is $8.39. It says trading hours. It says regular hours, time of enforcement, day. So let's go to trading hours, and it gives you the option to select include extended hours. That means that you could trade before the market opens and after the market closes. But let's come back to that. Let's say I want to add one more share. I can hit here, one more share, and I'm going to say trading hours. I'm going to select extended traded hours. Then if I hit buy at the bottom, it's going to add another share, right? That's one way. Let's go back the upper left-hand corner, let's arrow back. And let's arrow back again. Now, if you see here to the right, it says quick trade. And that's what I want to do, a quick trade. So let's hit quick trade. And then I can put in any symbol that I want to, and it will come up. Let's try F for forward. And there you go. Let's tap F for forward. And let's say quantity at the time is 1388. Quantity for forward, I could put 1. Trading hours, I could put extended because it's pre-market. And I could also put, let's say you wanted to buy it at a cheaper price. So let's go back and let's say we want it at $10. You just go back and you say $10 if you think it's going to get that far down. 1 share, right? Then at the bottom, time in force, we could put good till cancel. Now, I'm going to hit buy. And it says there is a large difference between da 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 da. I could hit continue. And then confirm. That order is placed. And it says it is working on the order, as you could see. Order type limit, limit price $10, time of force, good till cancel. Trading hours, including extended hours, right? And if we arrow back, top left-hand corner. Now, at the top, you see assets. Every time you want to see what you own, you go to the left, the top left, and you hit assets. And as you could see, it goes back to my positions. But at the right of it, you see P&L. And to the right of that, you see orders. I have 1 order that has not been filled. I could go there at any time and select it, and it's going to show you all of the orders that have not been filled. Remember, if you want to go back to your positions, literally just go back to assets in the top left-hand corner, and it brings you back to your home. It also gives you transfers here. You can make a deposit, a withdrawal, transfer. You could transfer your stock out of Webull to another brokerage, though you want to call them, right? And then let's go to history. It's going to give you the trading history and all of that, right? So for right now, that's all we want to cover. We want to simplify this and take it step by step, bite by bite. And let's go back to assets. Now, you can see here in the middle, it says market value. Okay, to the right of that, it says cash balance. Your cash balance will show you how much cash you have available to trade. Under that, it shows you settled cash. That means that the orders, let's say you sold some stock and you're waiting for it to settle, that number shows you the cash that has been settled, right? But more importantly, to the left of that, it says buying power. She has $58.34 of buying power left to buy more stock. So there you have it. Just like when Facebook came out, at first, everybody was doing it on their laptop or their computers, and nobody was doing it on their phone. And then we made the transition to the phones. Now everybody's using it on the phone. So it's just getting used to the platform. And once you use it twice, most people say, oh, this is easy. And I said, yeah, it's easy. It's just different. It just looks different. Okay, good people, we're going to leave it right there. Don't forget, click the link below. Make sure you use my link because it does help the page out, and it will help you to be a better investor in my book. Now, I have 4 different brokerages, but I will tell you that I'm trading at least 80% of the time in my Webull app because I have it with me everywhere, right? All right, good people. Hey, we'll see you. Live, love, laugh, and learn.